This is a presentation about information literacy and how you can find information using the college library. Now that you know about how to find books in the college library, let's talk about magazines and journals, which are other formats for information. Since you'll want to know how to find reliable information when you're doing research, it's important to know the difference between magazines and journals. This is related to information literacy skill number 3. Evaluate the information you find. A journal is a professional publication aimed at members of a profession or special organization. The word journal may or may not be in the title. Each issue shows a volume and issue number somewhere on the cover. Each article includes the author and their credentials as evidence of their qualifications in this subject area. Specialized terminology for the subject is used throughout the article. Any illustrations are usually graphs or charts. At the end of the journal article, you will find a list of all the information sources that the author used. You can expect that information found in journals is carefully researched and can be regarded as dependable information. A magazine, on the other hand, is designed for some segment of the public. It usually has no volume or issue numbers, but it does have colorful, attractive graphics and photos. The author of a magazine article seldom has credentials listed, if the author's name is even included. There are no sources listed at the end of magazine articles. The information here is not as reliable as information from a journal. If you find information in a magazine that you want to use, make sure to verify it with one or more reliable sources before using it in a college assignment. The library has a few print magazines and journals available for use, but it's likely that you will use more information from magazines and journals in databases, where the full text of articles has been digitized and is easier to find. Today's favorite information source is probably the database. Databases consist of collections of information found in magazines, journals, newspapers, and even books. The database's content can be searched electronically for specific subject information. When you're searching databases, there are often multiple ways to help focus your search. The college library makes a number of databases available to students. Links to them can be found on the library website. Probably the most comprehensive and most popular is the aggregate database NC Live. It allows you to search either groups by subject or type, or all of its databases at one time. For more information on how to use NC Live, please see the library's tutorials on it on the library website. All of these databases are accessible on campus, but if you are off campus, you can get database access through Moodle. After logging into Moodle, click on My Courses and click on any link. Then look in the left column for a box with the title Library Resources. In that box is a link to a PDF document entitled Database Passwords, which contains all the passwords to the databases that need them on the library webpage. So anywhere you can get to Moodle, you can get to the research databases.